everybody, I am Anya Verma and here to discuss a fun fact with you. So, have you ever thought that why the germination of seeds make the temperature around surrounding the seed is very hot? Have you ever thought it? And it's why? So, there is an activity you can do it at your home, but please take some cautions as caution is the first priority to do the activity. Okay, so let's start it. So first you need to take 2 beakers, am I right? So we will take 2 beakers. Okay, so in first beaker we will put a boiled seed, or you can take a boiled gram, like you say it in Hindi, chana, that can be. And in another it will be a germinated seed. What I mean to say it is जर्मिनेटेड सीड, मतलब उसके सीड के ऊपर थोड़ा सा ऊपर में वाइट कलर का एरिया जो जर्मिनेटेड होता है वो होना चाहिए. ओके, so that's the meaning of germinated seeds. And so we will take in the second bottle germinated seed. Okay, so after that we will do what? We will take in the first beaker and the second beaker, in both we will put 2 cottons. Okay, 2 cotton pieces that will be flattened on the top of the bottle on which we have kept those tufts and seeds. So in that we will keep upside a cotton. Okay, and in the second beaker also we will keep the cotton that should be wet. Okay, it should be wet. And after that we will take 2 thermometers, that is that mercury thermometer that everyone uses, that we need. And after that we will put it upside on the cotton and leave it for 1 to 2 days. And yes, the thermometer should be put on both the beakers. Okay, so when we will check it after 1 hour 2 hour, we will see, then we will be shocked. Oh my god, how is this possible? Because there is a very interesting fun fact that is in first beaker. It means the beaker which is filled with boiled seeds. Okay, that will be having the temperature very less, and in the second beaker that will be having the highest temperature, that according to the first beaker. Okay, so in that if you see that they both are, first you are getting confused. Oh my god, I boiled the seed once and so it was actually hotter than the second beaker part or seed. So how it can be the lowest point of heat? How? You maybe get surprised. Wow, what a magic going to be there here. So there is nothing magic, it's all about science. So in that science, if we say that when a germinated seed or a living cell is there, we have heat inside us. Like humans have 37 degrees Celsius mostly. So that is that we have heat. So we are having heat. So we are living. And when a person dies, you will check its temperature, then you will find that his or her temperature is very low. It means it's cold. Okay, so this was the fun fact that I wanted to discuss with you. So hope you like it, and you may be having this activity in your textbooks, but this activity is really so much important for your exams, and also it is really good for your knowledge. So that's all. Thank you, and be ready to get the next videos of these all things and activities video. Okay, bye.